The Most High made man in his image and likeness. How come we live in a society where the people with the complete opposite look to what the scriptures reveal the Most High created man to be become the default to everything? The seed of the fallen is the face to everything. The various Caucasian species can always find representation of themselves everywhere, from high-level government positions to numerous representation on television, religion, and advertisement. Religion is Satan's best system to deceive the people. Over 2 billion people accepted the Christian faith. Christianity promotes a graven image that has the likeness of the fallen angels in their seed.